how's it going? Welcome back. So we are going to take the triple threat against the Hughes and Kettner TubeMeister 18. This is my modified affinity strat. Check out my other videos. I'm going through all my electric guitars, standard strat, Telecaster, the whole list goes on. Anyway, so this is my affinity strat that I've modded up. And I've got some triple coil splitter or coil tapping humbuckers in this thing, which I split the coils just with these switches. And when they're in the down, they're humbuckers. When they're up, of course, they're single coils. So, let's get this show on the road. Alright, dirty channel. Alright, all the singles. put that boost on the gain lead. Not bad for some dirt cheap humbuckers. Anyways, that concludes our Affinity Stratocaster with the triple thread humbuckers. That's what I like to call them. It's kind of nice. I can split the coils like any patterns I want. I can get a lot more tones out of this thing than what I just did because I can alternate which ones go where for what, and it's kind of nice. So anyways, that's the basic idea. So anyways, my amp settings for this, for the clean, gain at 12, master at 3, dirty channel, we'll call it lead channel, whatever. Gain is at 12 and master's at 12. Basement and treble are at the center. So I'm doing the same setups for all these videos for these guitars to be tested through. So stay tuned for the next one. We've got a couple more guitars, and then we'll finish this series of testing the different types of pickups and guitar configurations through the Hughes & Kettner TubeMeister 18. Thanks for watching.